Auntie Morena, Anahira Morena. This morning you've woken up with your face across billboards opposing the Māori Wards, Auntie, Māori Ward referendum. How do you feel?
Devastated, not me. My moko kauae represents, on my right side is my te aroha waka, and my left side is my mātātua waka. So this means more to me than what they're trying to say.
How did you find out that your face, your mata, was on these billboards throughout the country?
I got woken up at 1:40 this morning by my mokopuna in Waharo. She kept ringing and ringing to wake me up, and she told me what was happening. And I didn't know what she was talking about. I had no idea. I didn't realise my face was on the billboard. She just kept saying to me, "Nan, what's going on?" And I didn't know what to say to her, because I don't understand. My phone has been played up. I'm the biggest person to have a scan done on me. Yes, that's me. My bank knows this, that everything happens here to me.
Auntie, did you give permission for your photo to be used on these billboards?
No.
Do you support opposing the referendum of the Māori Wards? This campaign has your photo face on it saying oppose the Māori Wards, and it uses the words mana in it. How does that make you feel?
Feel trampled. I did not do any of those. Did not give anyone permission to use my mic, my moko kauae.
What is your message to those people that have used your moko kauae, your face, on the billboards?
I'm just lost for words. I can't. It's not me. It is not me. They have taken. It's not me. It's not me.
What has your whānau said to you about your face appearing on these billboards? Anahira, how do you feel seeing Nan plastered over billboards, which is sort of used as anti-Māori? Would you describe it as an anti-Māori use of the billboard?
Yeah, I'm my all my life I've only ever known Nan to be very pro-Māori. It was very staunch supporter of Te Pāti Māori, everything Māori. She, even at her age, is still giving back to our iwi, and to me that's damaging not just to Nan but to our whole iwi. And I can't imagine being Nan having to face our iwi when her face is being plastered all over billboards, supporting a message that none of us believe in. So I'm very hurt and angry, and just, yeah. I'm like, man, lost for words. I don't know how they think it's right.
We've seen this billboard appear on Clayton Road here in Rotorua. There's a billboard that's appeared in Hamilton, a billboard in Whangarei, and a billboard in Christchurch, encouraging people to vote against the Māori wards in the Māori ward referendum. Anahera yohu mokopuna. You can feel how mamae she is. How do the whānau support Nan now that her face, her moko kauae has been misappropriated?
I think we just need to tautoko her and awhi her and let her know that, you know, it's not her. She said that it's not me, and we need to let our whānau know that, yeah, it's not Nan. They're using her image wrongly. I've already made complaints to Shutterstock where they obtained this image, and even there, the license they purchased to use this image wasn't for commercial purposes, and it's what they're doing is illegal, pretty much.
What do you want to say to those behind this billboard campaign using your Nan's mata?
Without using profanities, wrong whānau. You picked the wrong whānau.
Nan, what's your message to those that have chosen to use you in a political way against in this Māori Wards referendum?
I'm still lost for words. I still don't know how to even go with this. I'm sad. I'm angry. Come and see me. But the damage has been done. And to all those wards out there, please go and vote for your Māori wards. That's all I can say to you. Go and vote for them. Because we need them. We need them. I did not authorise the Hobson's pledge to put my face up.
What would you like to see done?
Maybe turn it into a positive for the Māori Party to get in there and use it how it's supposed to have been. This carries everything for Waiariki. So Rawiri, do something positive with what's come out of this. You know it's not me. You know that's not me. I've been in your party since day dot. Why would I want to do this?
Why do you think, Auntie, they used your image and used the words mana associated to encourage people to vote against the Māori wards in the referendum coming up?
One of Anahera's great nans rang me this morning and she said to me that, she says, my Harry, it doesn't just rain, it storms. So, all I can say to everyone out there is vote for your Māori wards because that's where our mana is. Our mana is everything in those Māori wards and we need it.
Are you two registered to vote in the Māori wards,
Yes.
Anahera?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. I was fortunate. I did not get removed. But my grandson did. And his mother, but his mother found herself. but my grandson has to go back and re-enroll again. So that's what Hobson Pledge has done to my grandson, taken away his right.
Well, Auntie Anahira, thank you very much for just making it clear to the motu that you did not give permission for your face to be used on those billboards, supporting a no vote in the Māori Wards referendum in this upcoming local body election. We send you lots of aroha and we'll provide you some information. E te whānau, thank you for joining us this morning. As we've woken up, if you're seeing billboards across the country or where you may live with Auntie Ellen Tamati's face on, please send them to Aukaha, your story at aukaha.news, so that we can identify where these billboards are. They were used and placed up without her permission. She is not given permission anyway, and she does not support that campaign. Is that correct?
That's right.
Thank you both for your time this morning, Auntie Anahira. And thank you, whānau, for joining us. Aukaha News, Te Aroha FM, and all our partners will be bringing you more more developments on these billboards that have gone up without Auntie Ellen Tamati's permission. Kia pai tō rā, te whānau. Thank you. Anything you want to say lastly, Auntie? Anahira?
Tui tū te Māori.